What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the MCC Body Shop channel. Thank you for watching our videos and support our channel. So today I'm gonna jump right into it. Today we are gonna work on our 2019 Toyota Corolla. I've been having this car for almost 3 years now, and I've been doing a lot of mods on it, and it's been probably like almost a year. I took the rims out. I have some 20s on it. I'm gonna give you the setup I got, and I took it off. I put the factory rims on it, and now I'm like, let me just put this car back together. So actually today I'm gonna put back the rims on it, and I just want to make a video of the car so you guys can see what I got going on with this Corolla. So let me just show you what I got. I got eBay front lip on it. I've been having this lip for probably, I would say, almost 3 years, because that was the first thing I bought for the car. I bought it for like probably $70 at the moment. I don't remember how much it's right now, but if I found a link, I'm gonna leave it down below in the description box. On the sides, this side skirt, no other Corolla has it, because this is a custom fit. These are 2017 Hyundai Elantra side skirt. Though, why did I put a Hyundai Elantra side skirt on it? Because I want to do that black design. The side skirts for this Corolla are kind of like basically plain. They don't have any type of design, just kind of like just a skirt and that's it. So I want to give it like a nice little touch up on the side. So I just pick up this one, and pretty much it fits directly on it. The only thing I did, so the only thing I did was over here, I kind of like have to grind down a little bit more, because this lip was a little bit longer. So I have to grind it so I can kind of like fit it. And over here you see it's a little bit longer, but once you put the screw on, it pretty much hold it in place. So that really doesn't bother me that much, so I'm okay with that. But literally everything else just fit perfect. Even this back side over here, it's the same measurement. I haven't cut it or nothing. It just perfect right there. Had the same curve. Obviously the door is kind of like hitting this spot over here a little bit, but I'm gonna touch up that up. And actually I have the rear ones. I also bought this ones for the rear bumper. Thing was like $100, and those being there for like almost 2 years, I would say. And what was the other thing? Oh, actually these splitters are custom made. I custom made those with a PVC panel from Home Depot, and I just kind of like shave it, rounded it up, because this actually is pretty square. So I shave it up, and then I just paint it trim black. And the spoiler, that was my last thing I put. It's been there for like probably 6 months already. So basically that's it. So today we're just gonna put the rims back on, and this is what we got. So I got this rims over here. These are black diamond. Actually it's the other way around. So I got this 20-inch rims. These are the rear one. This is actually the front one. This rear one is 20 by 10 and a half. The front one is 20 by 9. And actually this is a 5 by 114.3 on the lug nut pattern. So I actually have to buy one of these adapters. So this is 5 by 100, which it will fit the Corolla, and actually the rim will fit on top of this. So this 20 by 10 and a half, I gotta have to put a pretty much stretched tire on it. So you can see both sides of the rim I kind of like show up, and the tire is pretty much stretched, because the rim actually stick outside of the quarter panel, and if I had put the tire flush with the rim, it would not fit. So I have to like do this so I can fit this rim on. And this is the tire I have. It's a 225 3520. And this is the brand. It's the ATR Sport, but it's the, what's the brand? It should be around here somewhere. Achilles, something like that. Oh, right here, Achilles, or however you pronounce that name. And these are pretty good tires to stretch out. The front ones are not that much of a stretch, but it's still kind of almost the same concept. So it got the lips pretty much showing up. It got a little bit less aggressive stretch, but it's still stretched out too. And it's the same brand. It's an ATR Sport Achilles tire. And then the one is 20 by 9, and it have a let me see if I can find the numbers. It's a 215 30 20. So that's my setup. I'm gonna go ahead, lift up the car, put all this together, and then I'll show you at the end how it looks, how it fits. And I've been driving it with this rim. I was driving it for almost 2 years with this rims, and pretty much I never had a problem with them. They don't scrape, they don't mess up my fenders or nothing. So it's a pretty good setup. The only thing, or the only why I did this setup, it was because I found this rim for $300 when I bought it at the moment, and they were all beat up. They were like black and bronze. So I actually painted this color to match the car, and that's basically it. So that's the other one. I got the other one over there. So I'm just gonna lift up the car, put the rims on it, and so you can see how it's gonna turn out. So let's go, let's do this. Okay guys, so I'm gonna show you. I already put my spacer, my adapter. Really, it's just ½ an inch, but I just want to show you I don't have coilovers. I got this D2 lowering springs, and they've been working phenomenal. It's pretty good. And also I did a while back the rolling fender, because now the tire would be hitting up the quarter panel. But pretty much this is my setup. I already got front one installed already too, and you can tell it's a lower spring. That's the factory strut. So we're just gonna go ahead and put the rims on and show you how it looks. Okay guys, the moment of truth is right here. This is how it's looking now. We are set up of rims. I miss this look so bad. But we are now back to track. So this is actually how it looks. What I was telling you guys, how it kind of like the rims stick outside the car. So that's why I have to stretch out the tire. But you can tell I got pretty space over here. So really when it bounces, it really don't hit nothing in here. So that's it. Looking good back again, the Corolla. That's what we got. So there you go, guys. Got the Sienna back there. Wee-hoo! Back to track, boy. Nice. So, like I always say, thank you for watching. Subscribe to the channel if you've not done it yet. Share it, comment, liked it. Let me know what you think about the style of the Corolla. I know it's something different. So let me know if you like it, you don't like it, what you think, what are other things we can probably do to it. So this is gonna be done for this video. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one. God bless.